everyone, it's Realtor Ferris Tarazi with Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Riverock Ln. This beautifully upgraded pool and spa home is located in the quiet and peaceful gated community of Stonegate and offers 4 bedrooms, including a downstairs bed with a full bathroom, high ceilings upon entrance, a completely renovated kitchen with granite countertops, newer stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and a large center island, plantation shutters, custom flooring, and crown molding throughout that enriches the home, a family room with a rock-wall fireplace and wooden mantle, and a large and private backyard with a pool, spa, palm trees, grass area, and an oversized covered patio. Featuring a 3-car garage and gated RV access, this home is a must-see. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Riverock Ln. For more information or for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.